everyone, and today I'll be making delicious pumpkin dessert. So yummy! Let's start cooking. First, I'll be kneading my pumpkin and I'll be cutting that in half. We also have our sugar, pandan leaves, coconut cream, an egg, tapioca pearls, coconut meat, water, and salt. Here I've cut the pumpkin in half and chopped it into big chunks. Next I put it in the tapioca pearls and I submerged them in a cup of water. Next I put in the bottle of water, which was 600 milliliters. And then I added in 200 milliliters. And then I let that boil. And then after I let it boil. Now it's boiling. As you can see here, I put in the coconut cream. And then added the pandan leaves and pumpkin. I added those in and we don't want the clog, so then I stirred it up.
So yummy!
I stirred for a bit more and some more, and then I added in our salt. And then I stirred that all together and then boiled it again.
Wow, looks great!
As you can see here, it is boiling and I will wait until it rests, as it is about to now. Once it rests, I will add in my tapioca pearls that I have submerged with water. As you can see here, I have added them in and I'm going to show you what it looks like, as I'm still stirring them around so that there's no big pieces that are still sticking together. And now it has turned a bit yellow, but that's okay. Here's what it looks like once all of the pots are been broken. I've added some coconut meat, and since they were all hard together, I had to stir them in. And this is what it looks like once they've all been cooked up in heat. They're all apart and not together. Also, the coconut meat is optional. And now I will crack in our egg. This is also optional, just like the coconut meat. I've mixed that together and poured it in and stirred it around. This is what the final product looks like. Now we will start tasting it. Let's go. I poured it into my cup all the way up to the rim and I tasted it. It was very hot, so I blowed a bit. And it was really good. Thumbs up for approval. Bye.